Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a photography website on Wix in 2024. So today we're embarking on a visual journey to create a stunning photography website using Wix, which is a versatile platform known for its user-friendly website building tools. Whether you are a professional photographer showcasing your portfolio or an amateur enthusiast who's sharing your passion for photography, creating a captivating website is essential for you. So join me as we explore the full tutorials on how to create a photography website in Wix, and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and sign up for an account. To do so, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you do so, go to this URL section, basically type wix.com, and you'll find yourself on their website right away. If it's your first time, of course, you'll find yourself on this page instead. You make sure to click on the top right corner login option to log in into your account, and you'll be able to log in with Google, Facebook, or Apple if you don't want to fill up information manually. And same will be for sign up, but you'll not just have Apple, so you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself here and the dashboard, of course, of your account with the sites here. So for us, we would like to create a photography website. So I'll just go here to the top right corner and click on create a new site. As you can see, they gave me four options. So studio template, studio blank Canva, use Wix editor, and use your own template. If you want to use your own template, of course, if you have a template, you'll be able to. You can even upload your own template. And of course, this studio blank Canva, you basically starts with a blank page, white page, and you'll have to start from the beginning. And here you can start looking for templates or use the Wix editor. It's going to be the same option. So I'll just go and look for templates. As an example, that will be that I can use for my photography websites. Of course, you'll be able to change everything about the templates in here. Of course, if you want to, you can even start by blank, but for me, I'm not going to. So to look for portfolios, as an example, you can use these filters like category, type, filter, industry, feature, style. For example, if you go here to industry type, you'll find portfolio. So if you click on it, they'll show you just of course, the websites that has portfolio. Of course, so or you can simply look for on templates and use this Control F. And if you're looking for something specific, type it. You may find it. An example, maybe I'll just type photographer. So photographer, as you can see, as an example, we have photograph. So we have two, as you can see here. So if we go to the other one, so there's photographer and there's photography. So you can view both of them as an example and see what's best works for you. So you can see those. As example, if you didn't, of course, you'll be able to see it. How does it look on PC, tablet, and even phone. If you didn't like it, you can simply check the other one. And as example, maybe you like this one in here. So all you need to do is simply go and click on edit template to start using it. Of course, you'll have to wait for the page until it loads so you can start customizing and personalizing this website to be your own. So you can make it your own. Of course, you'll be able to start uploading. You'll have to delete all the images in there and replace them with your own photography if you want, or you can even leave some of them. Of course, so I'm just going to close this. I don't need this anymore, and either this. So as an example in here, I have a lot of pictures. Maybe as an example, I'll just go and delete this one. So I'll just click on it and delete it, and this one and delete it. As an example, this one delete it, and those pictures, I'll delete them also. As an example, so I'll delete all the pictures that are not mine. And as you can see, I have no other website, which is a template that I can use. All I need to do is simply change some contacts information. If I want to even have it, if I don't, I can delete like the section of contacts. I can delete it all, as you can see. If I want it back, just click Ctrl Z. As you can see, it will come back without any problems. And now you'll be able to start uploading your photos. So click on plus. You'll be able to start uploading your photos. If you have some videos, an example, you'll be able to add them. You'll be able to add a lot of things, some titles for your photos, some paragraphs, or if the photos or photographs have some story. As an example, maybe a gallery, maybe add your social media, as an example, as a social bar. You have some sections here. If you want to add like a contact me section, a lot of things that you can add. A form, as an example, if you want them to subscribe onto a form, as an example. So there's a lot of things that you can do. And you can, of course, even add some layers, add some pages if you want, even use some code if you're good at that, or you can use the ChatGPT or any AI tool that you want, or even some apps that will actually help you if you want to add something like a donation app or something like that. As you can see, I guess, yeah, they have like a Wix donation. So if you click on add, as an example, you'll have to wait a bit until it's added into your website. And as you can see, so it's already added. As an example, you'll be able to change the description of it if you want to get like some donations from the people that's visiting or your portfolio or your photographer site. So of course you can buy better material, better camera, so you can take a better picture of the nature or whatever you're taking picture of. So of course, just for you, start uploading your photos and your photography, and make sure it's captivating. Make sure it's has or it should be interested, of course, to other people to see. Make sure to add description to it. Make sure to maybe do some enhancing visuals appealing with the design element. You can even, as an example, to get more engagement into your websites, you can start in optimizing like for SEO. You can increase the visibility of your photographer websites in search engine results by optimizing it for SEO, which is search engine optimization. And you can use as an example, some relevant keywords in your page title, meta descriptions also in all image alt tags to improve like your site's ranking on search engines like Google and other search engines like Bing or something like that. Additionally, of course, you can create some descriptive URLs and interlink your pages to enhance discoverability, of course. Other than that, of course, once you finish everything, as an example, I'll just go here and add like a stupid picture, a quick ad in here. Of course, you'll be able to find it like in other stuff. I don't know where it's exactly about. Just go here to quick add. I'll drag and drop this image. As an example, on this image, I'll just go. Of course, you can create an AI image as an example. I don't know. And for me, I'll just go here and click on change image, and I'm going to choose upload a media from my computer, and simply I'll just choose this image, this random image that I have as a background in my PC. As you can see, it's uploading once it's finished. I'll be able to choose it, of course, as you can see right here. So I'll just click on it and click on update, and it should be updated, of course. And now I can make it bigger, make it smaller, make it in the mid. It's all you, personalizes or customizes however you want. So once you finish, make sure to preview the changes and see if everything is working. Like keep clicking on stuff, submit your form example. You can see how it's looking on mobile, on desktop, on tablet, on other like options like iPad, iPhone 14, etc. So see how it's looking. If it's all good, you can start publishing it. You can use a free Wix domain that they will give you. You'll be able to customize just the last options of it, like after your name here in wixstudio.io, or you can simply connect your own domain name if you have it. If you don't, you'll be able to buy one of them from them as an example, because this will increase engagement, especially if you make your domain name like a simple domain name that people can remember, so they can get into it very, very fast. And then make sure to publish it and you'll be good to go. So there you have it. That's going to be it for me in this tutorial. I hope you like it. If you do, make sure to leave a like down below and comment into this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.